The customer came in stating that the check engine light was on. To begin diagnostics, I connected a scan tool to the vehicle and retrieved the error code P0341. This code indicated an issue with the camshaft position sensor A circuit range performance, bank 1 or single sensor 2. Using the scan tool, I monitored live data while starting the engine. I noticed that the camshaft position CMP sensor readings were out of sync with the crankshaft position CKP sensor. This was a key indicator that there could be an issue with the timing system. Next, I inspected the wiring harness and connectors for both the CMP and CKP sensors. I was looking for any visible faults such as corrosion, damaged wires or loose connections, but everything appeared to be in good condition. To dig deeper, I used a lab scope to backprobe the CMP sensor signal wire. I started the engine and gradually increased its speed while observing the waveform signature. The results showed the CMP sensor signal was erratic, confirming that the issue wasn't electrical but likely mechanical. I then checked the engine oil level and condition and found significant sludge buildup. This indicated poor maintenance, which could have contributed to wear and tear in the timing components. I removed the valve cover to inspect the timing chain and set the timing to top dead center. Upon inspection, I found excessive play in the timing chain. To confirm the diagnosis, I measured the timing chain tensioner rod length. The specified length for proper operation is a 13.5 mm, but the tensioner was out of spec, further verifying that the timing chain and tensioner were faulty. The timing chain and tensioner are critical components for maintaining proper synchronization between the camshaft and crankshaft. When these parts wear out or fail, it can lead to engine timing issues, reduced performance, and potentially severe engine damage. Performing a thorough inspection and testing ensures that the actual problem is identified and resolved, avoiding unnecessary replacements. To fix the issue, I replaced the engine timing chain kit, which included the chain, tensioner, and related components. After completing the repair, I cleared the error codes and performed a road test to confirm the fix. The vehicle operated correctly, the check engine light stayed off, and no fault codes returned. This approach ensured the problem was fully resolved, restoring the engine's timing and performance.